Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to block someone on Facebook group. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. As you can see right now I am in my Facebook group and now I am going to block up people. So I am clicking on people and scroll down. Then you will find this member section. Here we can see total 2 members and Hilder is admin. So right now I am going to block this user. So what I am going to do, I am clicking on this Twitter icon here. So now I will click on block from group and here we can see your blocking from KG friends. Delete recent activity. You cannot take this to our delete recent activity. Also you can block me like hands, future profile. If new account creates new profile, those will be blocked. From this new tool you can take these 2 options. So right now I am going to take this 2 options and I am clicking on control. And here we can simulation has been blocked from this group. And if you again unlock this member, all you have to need just click here and now click on remove from block and here we can see it's now unblocked. So this is the way how you can block someone on Facebook group. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.